Hi friends, welcome back. After looking at the advantages of frequency modulation scheme, now it is time to see how a frequency modulation system can be created or how frequency modulation can be achieved, which we call it FM generation. The basic concept of FM generation is called a direct method. In the direct method, we have a LC oscillator. We have a LC oscillator. That's what we call a tank circuit. And in our previous session, we have seen how tank circuit can be used to produce sustained oscillations. Yeah, that the frequency of oscillation depends on both L and C. So this under normal condition, this tank circuit will produce some frequency called Fc, and to this if we add another uh, device that has a variable capacitance and whose capacitance can be made under control of the voltage. That means if we have some voltage controlled capacitor, then yes, we can think of creating a variable capacitor here, which is under control of a voltage. And this voltage, if we use our modulating input, then due to the variation in the modulating input voltage, the capacitance changes, and this capacitance is in parallel with the our tank circuit capacitance. So this total capacitance will be acting to generate our frequency. So this is our constant capacitor, and this is our variable capacitor. So we have a total capacitance, which is our constant capacitor used to build the tank circuit, plus the variable capacitor which we are going to get from a device whose capacitance can be made to vary according to the modulating input voltage. So if this happens, then the oscillator now works for the new capacitance. So that is given by 2 pi under root L into Ct, where Ct is our total capacitance. And if this capacitance varies because of varying capacitance Cv, then the frequency varies. So the Cv varies if Vm varies, then Cv varies, and if Cv varies, Ct varies, and if Ct varies, then the carrier frequency generated varies. So in all, we can ensure that the frequency of oscillation of this tank circuit is under control of our modulating input. So this is what the concept of FM generation. So that's all for now. How FM can be generated, a very simple way of doing it, and how this variable capacitance can be created, and how this variable capacitor can be made to vary accordance with the voltage is what we want to see in our next session. So till then, take care. See you. Bye.